Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Today I am going to start with the another topic of you can say about vocabulary or grammar part, that is determiner. Okay, what is determiner? Determiner is a specific word that appears before a noun or noun phrase, you can say. It not only specifies quantity but also clarifies what the noun refers to. Determiner, it helps to identify whether the noun or noun phrase is specific or general. Whether the noun or noun phrase is specific is general. So determiner, you can say, identify that. In short, you can say determiner is a specific word that introduces noun. Okay, determiner introduces noun. It not only specify quantity but also clarify that what noun refers to. Okay, so student, there are different types of noun determiner. There are different type of determiner. First kind of determiner is, one of the type of determiner is articles. You know, student, articles a and the. If I said determiner introduces noun. If you want to identify what is determiner, you have to understand, you have to first learn types of determiner. A and the. If I say the bunny went home, bunny is a noun and the here is determiner. If I say a dog is a good pet, dog here is a noun, a is a article. So a refers to determiner. A dog is a good pet. If I say an ostrich would beat a chicken in a race, so an ostrich, that means determiner an introduces noun ostrich. An ostrich. Clear? Second type of determiner is demonstrative. Another kind of determiner is demonstrative determiner. Demonstrative determiner here refers to, you can say, it shows you about the things. That means if I say, for example, if do you want this piece of chicken? If I say I don't want to go that movie, I don't want to go that movie. If I say this black raspberries are sour, these refers to, you can say, he wanted those boys to go away. Those boys to go away. For example, do you want this piece of chicken? This piece, that means this here is act as a demonstrative determiner. This piece in particular. I don't want to go that movie. That particular thing. These black means a group of things. These black raspberries are sour. These again act as a determiner. He wanted those boys to go away. Those, a group of boys, you can say. So these, THIS, these, or THESE, these, both refers to an item that are nearby, means that are close to us, and that or those refers to items that are far away. Clear? So these act as a determiner. Next is pronoun and possessive determiner. Pronoun and possessive, if I say this is my house, my house, house is a noun, my, pronoun determiner. This is my house, possessive, yours. This is your best friend. So this his, her, its, are, their. It refers to personal. Refers to personal. You can say possessive. A pronoun determiner. So this is your book. His, her, its, our. This is our property. So this is pronoun a possessive determiner. So determiner here is my, your, his, her, its, are, their. Next is possessive noun. Dogs, birds, apostrophe s, men's, child's, schools. This is another kind of determiner. This possessive noun. Distributives determiner. Distributives determiner are, you can say, are both, all, half, either, neither, each, every. Student, half here, this determiner, distributive determiner, half talks about divided group. Either, neither talks about a group of two. Each, every, you can say, serve different purpose. So each distributive determiner serve different purpose. If I say both my pen are black in color, both here act as a determiner. So both my pens are black in color. That means here if I am saying to a listener, if I am saying to you, both my pens are black in, that means here I refers to group as a whole, that both. If I say each pen, if I say to you, says each pen has a foundation nib, that means here I am referring here to a group, but clearing that about every individual member, that each pen in this group has a fountain nib. So distributive determiners serve different purpose. That means each child, if I say each child was laughing, every child was laughing. So I said that means each distributive determiner serve different. Now you must understand that about the determiner. If in the paper if you picked out the example of determiner, find out determiner from the sentence. So you must know. Numbers is also one kind of determiner. Numbers comes at the beginning of noun phrase. For example, I ordered 10 cakes. I ordered 2 cakes. There were 300 angry people present in a mob. So this is number determiner. Now predeterminers. Predeterminers, student, there are 3 types of predeterminer. One is classification, fraction, intensifier. So here examples, for example, rather, search, what, quite. Rather, search, what, quite, it is an example of intensifier. They are, intensifier are predeterminers. So search, what, rather, quite are intensifiers, and they express surprise, please, disappointment and other emotions of people. Okay, so they are intensifier. Intensifier are one of kind of predeterminers. For example, rather, your mother is rather a nice woman. If I say your mother is rather a nice woman, here I am pleased with your mother, therefore I am saying your mother is rather a nice woman. So here intensifier rather express please, surprise, disappointment and other emotion. If I say it is rather a strong ring, means I am pleased with that tree. If I say, for example, what a large cat, that means I am surprised by the size of a cat. Therefore I am saying, I am expressing my surprise by saying what a large cat. What is against a predeterminer? It's one of the kind of example of intensifiers. If I say this turned out to be such a beautiful day, that means I am pleased with the day, surprised with that day. So I am saying this day turned out to be such a beautiful day. So such here refers to a predeterminer. You are such a disappointment. If I say quite, it was quite a nice surprise for me. Quite. So student, so here this is an example of determiner. Here in this way you have to identify example of determiner from the sentence. So determiner is a specific word that appear before a noun or noun phrase, or you can say determiner is a word that introduces noun. That's all.